Check the alignment.
Move a little left. Good, hold it.
All right, we're locked in. Hold position. Lower slowly.
Keep them straight, keep them straight.
That's good, hold it.
Start the pumps.
Keep them running. Apply pressure.
Keep pushing down.
That's the level, stop.
Lower slowly.
Start pouring. Keep the flow steady. That's good, hold it. Hold up this frame.
Fix the joint.
Lift it up. Secure it here. Start pouring.
Keep it steady.
Fill it evenly. Remove this panel.
Pass it down.
Stack it on the ferry. Clear this section. Hold this panel.
Tighten here.
Fix the support. Check alignment. All right, move it to the far end. Copy that, moving now. Loosen this bolt. Pass it down. Pass it down.
Hold carefully.
Lower slowly, hold it steady. Bring it down, align it. Lower slowly.
Move left.
Hold, set it down.
Lower slowly, hold it, move slightly to the left. Keep it aligned. Okay, set it down.
Set the baseline first. Keep the alignment straight. Fix the vertical boards. Spread the bars evenly. Keep spacing consistent. Tie every intersection.
Spread out across the deck, don't leave gaps, keep levels consistent everywhere, finish all sections evenly.